Litshana njani lokho sisakhona ZITF Bulawayo igama lami nguNomagugu Ncube, and right now we are at the Nyaradzo group stand. I'm sure sibaningi sasikwazi Nyaradzo isenza okwama funeral policies, but it looks like they're advancing. There's a lot more that comes with Nyaradzo group, and right now I'm at one of their stands. You see, the place is very beautiful, and I'm here at Friends of the Environment. So what is Friends of the Environment and what is it about? Sabona baba.
Salbonani.
Ninjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Khuluma lo bani?
Simbarashe Zinoro.
All right, Simbarashe. So what is Friends of the Environment?
Friends of the Environment is an organization that is non-profit making, and it's championing in terms of tree planting.
So far, what's your target in terms of the trees that you have planted?
Okay, our target is to plant 500 million trees by 2026. 500
million trees. So far, how many have you planted?
We now are around 7 million.
Wow, that is phenomenal. So just in case for someone who's at home who may not understand ukuthi kuqhakatheke ngani ukuthi sibe si plant these trees, what would you say?
I would like to say trees are very important to us. So I would like to encourage everyone to plant trees at any event, whatever, any occasion that happens in your life. You must just plant trees and conserve and also spread the news of tree planting.
Okay. So how many nurseries do you have?
Okay, on nurseries we're now at 37 nurseries.
Which provinces are these?
In every province in Zimbabwe we are represented. We have nurseries there, so we are now at 37.
You are doing phenomenal work. I love this. So would you encourage young people to also plant trees, just in case someone then also maybe cities to go Bulawayo? Where do we get the trees to plant, and is there like specific spaces where you say we are only allowed to plant trees lapa, and there you're not allowed?
Okay. In terms of the encouragement of young people, you'd find that on some of our nurseries they are established at primary schools and even high schools to the catch them young concept, so that as they will be learning about, they'll also be learning about tree planting, the importance, and also practically go through the processes of tree propagation. And in terms of areas to plant, any space that you have that you can plant any tree. And besides trees, there are so many different types of trees. There are shrubs, there are big trees, so you can just identify the place and also just have information about the certain type of tree that you want to plant at that area.
So if I visit your nursery, do I get all this information? You go to this tree, I can plant it here, or this tree is for which kind of conditions and whatnot?
Yes, if you visit any of our nurseries, you will be assisted with information. We will be assisted with even the names and also the medicinal properties that that those trees will have. Yes, and on another note, we also do what we call annual walkathons each and every year, where we will be walking by foot, planting trees. It's an awareness program. We always rotate in each and every province. Last year we were in Manicaland, and this year we are expecting we might be going to Mashonaland West, and we will be walking on foot planting trees. And besides that, every province will have what we call a provincial walkathon.
I love this. Thank you so much for this information. I didn't know about it. Thank you so much for this information. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Right, there you have it. We are still at the Nyaradzo group stand. Signing out.
Hi guys, my name is DJ Ola7 Owen. We're Commodore the Chief Masha, coming to you live from Kobulawayo to Saturn, live at the ZITF Nyaradzo stand. And the Guru Fire Gulu Nyaradzo. That nice setup, nice everything. I'm here with my brother Bradley Ushe and insurance brokers. My brother, how are you?
I'm doing pretty awesome. All I hear is ZITF2025.
So I want you to tell us about Eureka insurance brokers. Who is Eureka?
Eureka Insurance Brokers is a short-term arm division of the Nyaradzo Group. As you know, we're comprising 10 different divisions, but we do the short-term side of things. Eureka has got about so many different products that we offer, and we founded in 2001 just to take off the short-term needs of all our insuring public. Yes.
So it's all about the insurance.
Yes, the short term. Short term meaning insurance side. It's different from the assurance side because that's long term and we are short term. So you enjoy the benefits as you go. That's why it's called short term.
That's fantastic, my brother. So what products and services do you offer Eureka insurance brokers?
Yes, we've got a various array of products that we offer. Mainly your home insurance, your motor insurance, your household insurance. You comprise your public, your private all risk. That's your cell phones, your watches, that's your personal all risk in time. And we also have agriculture insurance. We've got farming, poultry, everything that's included under agriculture. We've got engineering insurance. We do bonds and guarantees. So all those things that you find in the short insurance space, we also offer. And we are brokers. That means we don't carry the risk, but we introduce the business to our insurers and we advise our clients because we've got risk management consultancy as well as employee benefits.
Yes. So you mean if my house happens to burn today or fire at home, you are able to cover everything for me as long as I have your insurance?
That's very much correct, but we don't cover everything. We need to clarify this to the insurance public. There's what called excess. That's the amount that you contribute towards your own loss. So if you insure your house for $100,000, you are bound to pay a certain amount in excess. That is maybe 10% of the loss. So in essence, you get 90% because that's mandatory, that's excess. So people may think that if you insure for 100, you get the 100 in whole. No, you pay that contribution. It's called an excess amount. That's what you contribute towards your own loss.
Great, fantastic. So where do we find you? I know today we are here in Bulawayo, but after this ZITF thing is done, where do we find you?
Yes, Ola, thank you very much for that. Geographical location is not even an obstacle for us. From where we are here in Bulawayo, I can tell you that I can save a customer in the US anywhere. Our setup as the Nyaradzo Group is quite robust. I can just pick a call and to in Harare right now and save a client. As long as you're in Zimbabwe, we can save you. So you can find us at all our Nyaradzo Group, the branch network in Zimbabwe. So wherever you find the Nyaradzo office, there's always a Eureka desk to save you.
Thank you so much, my brother Bradley. Let's out more from other, because Nyaradzo is a group, group of companies. You've got your insurance, environment, SIP, lots of stuff here. But thank you so much, my brother.
That's correct. Well, I thank you very much for the interview. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Corner at ZITF, and this is the Nyaradzo Group stand. And right now, I'm joined by Justice Owe Sahwira Money. So, what is Sahwira Money and what is it all about? Hi, Justice.
Hi, Noma. How are you?
I'm good. Which language are you using? Are we using Shona English? Isn't it? Oh, English is best.
Catch up.
Okay, all right. So tell us, what is Sahwira Money?
Sahwira Money is a subsidiary of Nyaradzo Group. So we are into remittance business. So you can actually send money from the UK to Zimbabwe for free of charge. The promotion runs up to June. We also do local remittance, whereby you can actually go to selected branches of ours, then you can actually send your relative money and they also pick up their money at selected branches of ours. So we have several products. We have that UK product, we have the local remittance product, then we also do ZESA token. We also sell ZESA tokens. We also do DSTV subscriptions. Then we also do school fees payments. So that's basically it about Sahwira Money subsidiary.
Okay, because I thought Sahwira Money so maybe if I'm paying for a funeral policy, I can send money.
No, anyone can actually use Sahwira Money to send to transact or send money to their relatives. You don't need to have a policy with Nyaradzo because Nyaradzo is now a big company with several subsidiaries. So you don't need to have a policy with Nyaradzo in order for you to be able to send money. You can actually send money without a problem. We also do world remit, and our services are safe, secure, and it's very convenient. You don't need to queue. I've seen a lot of places people queue. You don't need even to queue. When you come, it's very private. You just come within 2 minutes, would have finished the transaction and you leave. Thank you.
So kuti ndiwe neSahwira Money, do I need an application? How do I go about it for me to be able to send money?
Right. For those in the UK, you can just go on our platform, sahwiramoney.com. Then you can actually register there so that you'll be able to do a transaction. For those who are local, you just visit our branches. You just need to bring your ID. Then also we need information of the person that you're sending money to, their ID, first name and surname that is correct, and their contact number as well.
And the last question would be, how safe is this Sahwira Money?
Very safe. If you know the word safe in itself, it doesn't actually describe how safe we are. It's very safe and very private. No one will actually know that you're doing a transaction that involves finances.
So if I go at any Nyaradzo branch and ask for Sahwira Money, I'll get the assistance?
Yes, you get assistance.
All right. Do you have any plans of having these somewhere else outside of just Nyaradzo premises?
Yes, we are in the process of engaging other players so that they can also have our products as part of their packages. So very soon we'll be updating you on what is coming, and so that you'll be informed and you'll be able to actually use our services.
Tinotenda Sahwira mkuru, maita basa nenguva yenyu. Have a lovely day.
Hi guys, now I am at SIP section at Nyaradzo group panapa ZITF Kobulawayo. Sezvo muri kungonzwa kuti ZITF nyaya dzeexhibition kune zvakawanda zvinoita zvichiitika vemabizimusi mabizinesi akawanda wanda mabasa akasiyana siyana vari kuexhibita zvavanokwanisa kunge vachiitira kuvanhu veZimbabwe. Right now paNyaradzo munongonzwa kune SIP inongonzi SIP. So ndina Chipo Kwaramba to tell us more about what SIP stand for. Hi Chipo, how are you?
Hello, Ola. Hello, everyone. How are you?
I'm good. I'm doing fantastic. I think Nyaradzo, I think you've got the most beautiful stand.
Thank you, Ola. Thank you.
I've been touring around and seeing, other stands, and not to say Agashata, but yours is outstanding.
Thank you, Ola. Yes.
Okay, great. So now I want to understand from you, what does SIP stand for?
Okay. So SIP is an abbreviation for Sahwira International Plan.
All right. So ndrukunzwa mutara nyaya yekuti SIP ndo your Sahwira International Plan. But I want to understand kuti ku international plan uku muri kunyatsoti chi munoita nezvechi ma services api amuno offer.
Okay, Ola. So firstly tikuti isusu Nyaradzo tinoti maringe netsika dzedu handiti saka munhu kana achinge ashayika munhu anoda kuigwa kumusha iwe unoda kuigwa kupuka shayika.
Obvious kumusha nyazura kwari kweza.
Yes, kana washayika munhu unoda kuigwa kumusha tikuti maringe netsika dzedu handiti. Saka in this case tikuti kumusha ndekuno kuZimbabwe washayikira kudiaspora but musha kwako ndekuno uda kudzoka kunovigwa kuno. So firstly we cover the repatriation to bring you back home, and then wauya kuno kumusha we do the funeral services, zvese tokupa nebhazi zvagara tichikupai pamapolicies handiti, and then after that tinokupai accommodation, tinokupai business or economic class.
Kutoti nduto yako nhamo nehama motondikwidza matiketi mondibhadharira ndege yacho neaccommodation.
Yes.
All that.
All that. Ndo zvinoita Sahwira, Ola.
No, I think apa ndo pandafarira because vanhu vazhinji vanonzwa kuti hama yafa iri kunze, vanhu vachauza totangira papi, hatina mari yekuenda kuZimbabwe kwacho, totangira papi nechi. Saka plani inenge ichida chi kuti ikwanise kundisira matiketi ayo.
All right. Tikuti unojoina handiti uri kwauri ikoko any country in the world. Wajoina uri kwauri ikoko tichakuchaja zvichienderana nekuti zvawasarudzawo ndezvipi papolisi pako. Saka ndiri kutaura aya ndati air tickets, accommodation for 7 days in Zimbabwe ne-vehicle benefit. Zvinhu izvozvo unogona kuchuza kuti ini ndiri kuzvida kana kuti handisi kuzvida papolisi pangu. Saka ndo zvinozoenderana kuti polisi yako inozoita mari. Yeah.
Okay, apa pakajeka pandazvifarira izvo, but ndoda kuti ndinzwisise futi kubva kwamuri kuti pane mamwe maservices here asiri iyayo chete ekundiunza hama dzangu kuZimbabwe kubva kunze kwenyika, like transport tinozombomerwa dzimwe nguva hama dzacho VIP ka inenge yauya munodziita sei?
Okay, kana vauya ndopandati tinopa vehicle benefit, okay, vehicle all terrain, yes. yekuti kumusha kwenyu wati kwari kweza kune makomo here kwenyu?
Ariko makomo ariko.
Yes, saka kana vauya vachiuya kuzoenda kana vaenda kwari kweza kunyanga kumakomoyo, anyway mota iyoyo inokwanisa kufamba the double cab vehicle. That's why we chose that, kuti inofamba kwese, inosvika kwese, unoipiwa for 7 days mota iyoyo. Yes.
Ko pekugara macheya hamuna here? Macheya, matoilets?
Tinazvo zvese Ola, tinazvo zvese zviriko. So tine 200 seater tent nemachairs acho 200 ne2 portable toilets. 2 portable toilets, yes, kuti kumusha pamwe makavaka makazhinji vanhu vanenge vangovaka toilet kana 1 yes, pakazara vanhu. What do they do? We then give these toilets. Yes.
Pane mwe nhama yandakamboenda, so I remember panga paine malights akakazara akanzi Nyaradzo nezvibhabhauza zvekugezera mvura. I was like, ichiri nhamo here wako vana muri kuzviita sei?
Yes, aiwa zvese tinazvo Ola. We are saying as Sahwira mukuru, we are looking at our class. So zvese zvinoitwa pa function, macatering yavo, mabhauza zvese tinokwanisa kuoffer kana vachida. That will be on cash basis though. Yes. No,
that's fine. And also, lastly, I want to understand about them, vanema local policies au muno. Ndava ndaenda ku UK, ndawana basa ku UK, ndinokwanisa here kunge ndichiwana manje inini policy yangu local yandandishandisa yeye inoshanda here ndaa ku UK, ndo imwe chete here kana kuti haishande? Okay.
Ndiriwanzwa pandati repatriation, repatriation, local police haina repatriation. Saka iwe kana unge ne-local police kuti iri ngokukavha muno muZimbabwe, handiti, asi kana uchinge wazoenda kunze kwenyika wakuchida policy ne-repatriation, ndo Sahwira international plan. Saka tinoti you do a conversion. Here's something good for our clients. Atichaita waiting period. Kana achinge achinja kuenda kuSahwira international plan, ari kutongochinja 0 waiting period. Mukavana.
0 waiting period.
0 waiting period.
Ipapo.
Yes, ipapo.
Ndazvifarira, saka conversion anoita sei kuti aconvert? Noti anenge atokunze kwenyika anofanira kudzoka kuZimbabwe convert here kana kuti zvinofamba sei? Okay,
all right. Isusu tinoshanda maclients edu vari kunze, vari vakazara nyika yese, handiti kunze kwese vakazara kwese, but hatikwanise manje kuti tichizoti chidzoka ikunoko Ola kana ndiwewo. Vanokwanisa kuenda pawebsite yedu, tinokwanisa kuvabatsira vakaenda pa www.nyaradzo.co.zw. That's our main website for the group, or sip.nyaradzo.global. Ndiyo vanokwanisa kuenda ipapo vachiona zvese zvatinoita. And then kana vachida vanokwanisa kunyora email. Tine email yedu, email address yedu yeku international business, inonzi E for elephant ebusiness@nyaradzo.co.zw. vakanyora ipapo tinokwanisa kuvabatsira.
Thank you so much my sister Chipo Kwaramba. Tinotenda zvikuru. I hope vanhu vari kutiona kudiaspora maakutojoina mapolisi enyu ekuNyaradzo kuti mugare munazvo. Hauzive pazvinobhendera, hauzive chinokuti uchafa nei, uchafa rini, but kungova ready kwakanaka. Ndo saka tina Sahwira mukuru wekuNyaradzo. Mashoko angada kusiya kumhuri yeZimbabwe Chipo?
Okay, thank you so much Ola. Mashoko tinoda kutendai our diaspora community. That's the first thing. Tinoda kuvatenda vari kujoina and vakuiziva SIP. And vari muno muZimbabwe vane hama umwe nomwe, hapana sina hama kunze vaudzei kwane Sahwira international plan, joina Sahwira international plan. Thank you Ola.
Thank you so much Chipo. That was Chipo Kwaramba pano pa stand yeku Nyaradzo group kuno ku ZITF ku Bulawayo. Kwa zviri kuitika kana uri Bulawayo muno, feel free to come through pa stand yeku Nyaradzo mumboona kuti kwakamira sei. Ende pane zvakawanda zviri pano zvavari kuexhibita, nambona macoffin akasiyana siyana, mamwe ari angada kuflyer, dzimwe dzinenge ndege riri coffin. Innovation yacho iri serious ku Nyaradzo. Thank you so much for watching.
We are still at the ZITF broadcasting live as All 7 podcast, and we are at the stand Nyaradzo group right now. Nyaradzo Life Assurance Company. How are you, sir?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Please introduce yourself and tell us what Nyaradzo Life Assurance Company is all about.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Right, my name is Chamunor Mafuri. I'm the client servicing and claim supervisor. Right, so Nyaradzo Assurance, basically we offer We have what you call the group schemes. These are policies whereby companies, for example, Bulawayo City Council, we have the Delta Universities, Lupane. So the companies in the company, the employees, they join as an organization. So the companies, they deduct from the client under their payroll, and the companies, they remit the money to us. That's a group scheme policy. We also have what we call the individual policies. We have the score pack, we have the six pack. Yeah, so basically those two.
So what's the difference between assurance and the other one that we know? Is it the insurance one? Yes. What's the difference?
All right, so basically assurance is where we do the administration of the policies and the services. That's how we offer the services. You have a claim. The claim is administered by the assurance. From there, they put it to the services where they offer the services. Yes.
Okay. So you said as an individual, I can as well also be a part of the Nyaradzo Life Assurance Company. It's not only company organization.
Exactly, ma'am. Like I'm saying, our policies they are coming as cheap as $2.75 per month. So you can join this as an individual. You can be a vendor. You can be anyone. You can join that policy. You pay your monthly premiums. 3 months waiting period.
3 months waiting period. And even if like you said, as a vendor or whatever, I can come and what's the process? You're good to be a part of it.
Okay, exactly, ma'am. You can just come to our offices. Also, our offices are with one at Jason Moyo and the other one at Donington. You just bring your particulars, mainly your ID and all the information. We give you papers to complete, and then you're a member of Nyaradzo.
Okay. Ajinabasane pay slip or anything where you need to see my source of income, what I do, or that is necessary.
Not really. Like I'm saying, if it's under group schemes, we are obviously guaranteed you will be deducted from what? From your company. If you're a vendor, you're getting $1 from selling tomatoes, you can just come, we give you a policy, and then you pay your premiums monthly.
Okay, thank you so much. I think so. What are you promising us right now at the ZITF? Yeah, are you giving us free T-shirts? What's happening?
All right. So maybe before I go there, we've just introduced our Nyaradzo application. You can download it on Apple stores. It's also on Google stores. So on that application, you can have all information there. The number of people covered on your policy, the balances. You can check anything. Not necessarily for all those with smartphones. We also have a facility for those using Kambuzi. *584, you put that. You can put your ID number. It will take you through all the procedures.
Oh, is it? So I can download this in my phone?
The application for those with smartphone, but for those with Kambuzi. This is a Kambuzi. Right, so this one, *584#. It take you through all the processes.
Okay. So I can join using that application?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. I love the parts where you said even Dine Kambuzi, I can actually do this. You have asset heart. I see that.
That's Sahwira Mukuru. We listen, understand, always try to provide these solutions. Yes.
Thank you so much. Is there anything else that you would like to say to our clients?
Yes. Okay. So here at ZITF, people they think maybe our office. We have our office over there. That office is opened 24/7, 365 days. Not only on ZITF days. So please, town office, sometimes it has many traffic. You can come this side, you do all the things that you can do at Donington, even at town office. So please use this office.
And the Nyaradzo Life Assurance Company, it's there nationwide or?
Exactly, ma'am. We are countrywide. We are even abroad, diaspora, UK. We are all over. We are all over.
So it's a matter of me just going to any Nyaradzo premises and asking for whichever services I want and I'll get it.
Exactly, ma'am. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a lovely day.
Thank you.
So I'm sure by now you can tell that Nyaradzo Group is doing the things. Right now where we are standing, it's still part of Nyaradzo Group stand. It's giving safari, it's giving wildlife, it's giving everything, right? Hansi, there's something called Tiger Bay Resort, right? That is under Nyaradzo Group. So I'm here with Desmond, who's going to explain to us what Tiger Bay Resort is. How are you, Des?
I'm all right, Norma. How are you?
I'm good. So akusitshele uhamba kanjani?
Anti-akwazi Nyaradzo ziningi into esiziyenzayo. And this is one of our newest offerings, our newest babies. I'm not sure if you know, but Nyaradzo has a lifestyle wing that's under Sahwira Events and Lifestyle. And we have various holiday destinations. We have cottages in Nyanga, we have cottages in Vumba, we have houseboats in Kariba. And Tiger Bay is the latest addition to those lifestyle offerings that we have. So Tiger Bay is, we're set to open in September, and it's an eco luxury resort that is on the banks of the Ume River. That is in Kariba, where the Ume touches the dam. That's where we're positioned. And you know, it's just a great place for you to come and enjoy some leisure. You know, just chill, relax, and you know, enjoy your life and whatever you else want to do.
Okay, so I can see animals and everything. I see there's like a lot of what do they call that?
I believe that's a cool no.
Yeah. Asiwazi ama-animals sibadala singakacabanga.
Wakambe Tiger Bay, sawutshengisa. So that's part of why we've brought this. We're trying to bring that experience here. We're like, how can you do as the ITF to really show why people stand to experience when they come to Tiger Bay? That's these animals. And Tiger Bay is one of the few places in Zimbabwe, even in Africa, where you can see and experience the big five. You can see elephants, lions, with buffalo, with cheetah. If you're really lucky, you can see even all the elusive kids. They're there. You can see all these animals that we have on display here, which were actually real animals that were hunted there, and then they were preserved. So there's a lot of activities. There's a lot of things that you can experience. It's just pure wilderness. So there's game drives. There's water sports. That's why we have the speedboats and the jet skis. So it's just a whole basket of activities.
I definitely want to try the speedboat. Ngoba indlela engesaba ngayo amanzi. Yo Nkosi yami. So let's say I have a group of friends, right? And we want to go and have a good time. Is that possible with what do you call it? Tiger Bay Resort? Yes. Or we'll have to wait until we're waiting until the launch.
Yes, you have to wait until the launch because we're just finishing up. Want to make sure that it's perfect for you. It's the utmost luxury, it's the utmost comfort. So we have to just tie loose ends, cross what they say, cross the T's and dot the I's. So that's what we're doing now. But yeah, most definitely, not only with Tiger Bay, even with all the other offerings that we have that are currently open, our Nyanga cottage, our Vumba cottages, our houseboats in Kariba. If you have your friends and you don't have to actually come and pay up front, you can come to us and say, Zwana Desmond, namfuya holiday ngo December, nyenze njani? Mase ngikutshelisa noma wena ufuna apha ama dates, ungasuse ama dates akho, then sesivumelana sesibhalana phansi ukuthi uzabhadala so towards your holiday.
Nice. So thina sithi i-Tiger Bay Resort nge-Christmas yabe si-ready yini?
Christmas khonale ngithi ngo-September yabe si-ready. September yabe si-ready, and people can actually come and start experiencing it and enjoying what we have to offer there.
Okay. Thank you so much. So there you have it. If you love, you know, nice things, wildlife, water and everything, I think this is what Tiger Bay Resort is all about. And I thank you so much. Siyabonga ke Nyaradzo. You're really doing a lot. You're making sure that everyone is catered for, including Tines Tandizinto. And I love that for you, Shem. I love that for you. All right, so how has been ZITF so far?
ZITF has been great. We've been meeting a lot of people, talking to you guys, and a lot of other people. So it's an amazing experience to just network and connect with other like-minded people, other stakeholders, you know, service providers, potential customers, and customers. So it's been great. We love it here.
I'm definitely going to be a customer, Tiger Bay ngale. What December nje ngiyabe ngikhona ngale, you know, doing the things.
I want you to do that.
You should actually. But anyway, thank you so much. This was still Nyaradzo Group and Tiger Bay Resort that is launching in September. Write it down. So that in December we're going to have fun there. Otherwise, from me and the crew behind the scenes, it's goodbye for now. Ciao.
Okay, right now ndasvika pa another stand zvakare paNyaradzo ipapo panonzi pa CRM Customer Relations Management, and ndina Mebo Chidakwa to tell us more about customer relations management. Kuti twakamira say hi Mebo, how are you?
Hi Ola, how are you? Good.
I'm doing fine. Thank you. So how are you finding your time here at the ZITF?
It's nice. I'm happy to see all the stands and also to be part and parcel of the journey of ZITF 2025.
That's amazing. So now tell us about the CRM. What is it all about?
All right, CRM stands for Customer Relations Management. It's a new department in Nyaradzo Group whereby we are focusing more on the client and Nyaradzo. So we are saying we are acting as a conduit between the client and ourselves. You know, Nyaradzo customer centered. We are centered for my clients, Ola. So what we need is to have that relationship that is always standing. We want to make sure that that experience the client has, we have got the full feedback to make sure that are they being satisfied of what we are giving them. Okay. Yes.
That's fine. So what are the main objectives?
Right. What we want to do is we want to align with our mantra or giving us back. So we understand what they are saying and we try to give the solutions. So we listen, we understand and give the solutions. So the customers come to us, they give us their concerns. It's not only complaints that we listen to, we also listen to their compliments and we also listen to what they want us to give us more. We don't want to be a reactive company or an organization. We also want to be proactive. So we get that information from clients and then we improve our services.
That's amazing. So tell us about the components of customer experience.
Customer experience, we are saying it's a journey that we travel with the client. You know, we start from where people get policies from Nyaradzo. Then people may not even have what we call claims or death for 10 years. But it's that journey that we go through them with them. When they come and pay their premiums, what experience are they getting with us? Are we giving them joy? Or we are actually making them angry. So we have what we call the pleasure points. When we make the customer happy, that's the pleasure point. Then we also have the pain points. That is when customers complain about our services. So what we are looking at through the journey, we are looking at atmospheric experience, whereby we look at the environment. When clients come into our offices, are they inviting? Are they comfortable to do business with us? I'm looking even at ablution facilities. When a client visits the toilet, do they to Nyaradzo? Yeah, that's atmospheric experience. The second one is the service experience. What is it that we are giving them? Are they being satisfied with the service? If somebody is paying a premium, is it a pain point or is it a pleasure point? Would they want to come back tomorrow because of the service that we have given them? Then we are also looking at the process experience. The processes that we have in our systems, are they user-friendly? When somebody wants to pay a premium, maybe at home, using the Sahwira WhatsApp that we have now, is the process okay with them? Are they comfortable using that? Is it user-friendly? Then we also go to the functional experience, whereby I'm saying the processes that we're given, the gadgets that they are using, is the process being functional? Are they able to get through to Nyaradzo using those processes? So those are more experiences that we are talking about. And as CRM, we make sure those things are functional. Sahwira WhatsApp assistant that we have where we use our QR code and the number that is there. You actually have a function there that provides you an opportunity to give feedback. We also have the CRM department. At our seal department, we have an email address, customer feedback at nyaradzo.co.zw. So platforms that you can use to reach us out and you give us your complaint or your compliment. Yes.
Thank you so much, my sister.
Thank you, Ola. Just wanted to, have you had a good experience with the service that we have given you so far?
Absolutely, absolutely. You know, I've lost my uncle, I think in August last year, and the service was just amazing. Even the funeral, no hassles, no what. The guys were just doing their job, and I really enjoyed your services, and I must say thank you so much for that.
We are happy to hear that. Thank you so much for having us.
You're welcome. That was my sister from Nyaradzo. So, chakata niwe ku customer relations management.